All right. Today's SPY was up 0.04%, so an extremely exciting flat day of going absolutely nowhere. In intraday, we did get very close to retesting that all-time high breakout at 565, and I do believe below that level, you should be very quick to get bearish because below that level, we will likely go down towards 560 and 556, and likely even lower than that if we slice through those support zones. Now, if we do hold above 565, there's no reason to be bearish because we could still bounce from a higher low off of the retest of the previous all-time high and still go higher to hit a brand new all-time high price target at 581. And the confirmation of that bull breakout would be the break and close above a brand new all-time high, which would be above 574 to 575. So the bullish scenario is possible, but I do believe a lot of risk is going to be to the downside if SPY fails to hold that very critical support at 565. And if you are looking for an excuse to get bearish, you are starting to get it today because over here on the triple Qs, we did get the second day in a row closing down below 483. And once more, I'll remind you, below 483, it is possible we're getting risk off and coming down to at least 473. And likely even lower than that towards the low 470s. And if we just continue to lose support zones, we can go as low as the market wants to go, which includes all the way down here in the 450s. Now, if the bulls can get back above that support and make higher lows, we could still push for the previous all-time high at 503. But as you can tell, the NASDAQ 100 is not leading the way higher. It is not near an all-time high like SPY, and it still has plenty of ways to go. So if we are going to see the bullish scenario, you are going to have plenty of time to react to it as the bulls take the stairs up. I would be much more focused on the elevator down that the bears can take, and I do believe a lot of the risk is still to the downside, especially while we're breaking down below support here. Another good reason to get risk off is Bitcoin, which is sitting right here at the rejection of the 200 daily moving average. And last night I told you if we can hold 60,000, it is still possible. This is just going to be another higher low as we continue higher. But if we cannot hold 60,000, it is still possible we start to flush down to the bottom of the range at 53,000. So definitely lots to pay attention to as we approach the end of the week here, and we will get unemployment data on Friday. So be very disciplined here. This is a very critical support zone, and as you can tell on the triple Qs and Bitcoin, we are also at very critical support zones, and it doesn't take a whole lot of panic to really start moving down quickly here, so manage risk very well. We are still in bull trends, and you can still stay bullish, but just make sure you have that risk managed if we start to break down and see high volume selling. If you want to come trade with me and get access to all of my intraday updates, my technical analysis, and my trade ideas, that is in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.